Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So, you're finally ready to take the plunge. You're ready to say hello in French to somebody. Don't worry, I got you covered. Stay tuned and I'll teach you all the essential hellos and goodbyes in French. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. I'm Nat, your French teacher. So if you're looking to learn to speak some French, maybe really improve on that sometimes tricky French pronunciation, or even expand your vocabulary, then you've come to the right place and I'm so happy that you're here. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, to ring that bell to get notified of any new videos coming out to help you learn some French, okay? Now let's get into the lesson. All right guys, you ready? So we're going to start off by reviewing 4 basic greetings and then we'll go over a variation of goodbyes, okay? So the first greeting is hello. So hello in French is bonjour. 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 Okay? You want to try? À ton tour. Let's go. Good, good. I said this in another video before, so it's not bonjour, it's bonjour, right? You got it, right? Perfect. So another variation of this would be one that's much more informal, and that's hi. So this is something you use with friends or colleagues or family members. So hi in French is salut. 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 Okay? Your turn. À ton tour. Good. Very good. So the next one we're going to go over is good evening. Good evening in French is bonsoir. 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 Okay? À ton tour. You try. Good. Very good. So the last greeting we're going to review today is nice to meet you. So nice to meet you in French is enchanté. Enchanté. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. So you don't have to say the whole sentence. Let's just review enchanté because that's perfect, short enough, very polite, okay? Enchanté. Enchanté. Okay? I want you to try. À ton tour. Very good. Perfect. So whether you're a man or woman in this case, the sound is the same. It's always enchanté. However, when you're writing it, if you're a woman saying it, there would be an extra E at the end, but you don't hear it when you say it, okay? So it's only in the written that it would really stand out, okay? Let's move on to the next. Okay, so the next section are variations of goodbye, okay? So you ready? So the first one, the most basic one, goodbye in French is au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Okay, you want to try? Go ahead. Good, very good. I know there's lots of R's in there, okay? Okay, so the next one is going to be more informal. It's going to be bye. So bye in French is salut. Salut again. Salut can be hi and it can be bye. So we can say salut, salut. Okay? Try it again. I know you did it before, but let's try again. Salut. You try. Good. Awesome. Okay. La prochaine. So the next one is have a nice evening. Have a nice evening in French is bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Okay? À ton tour. You try. Perfect. Fantastic. Okay. On continue. So the next one is good night. Good night in French is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. That's a little fast, but bonne nuit. Okay? À ton tour. I want to hear it. Bien, bravo. Okay, on passe à la prochaine. The next one, if you wanted to say see you soon, you would say à bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt. Okay? You want to try? À. Bravo, bien. Okay, on continue. If you wanted to say see you later, you would say à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Okay? You try it. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. If you wanted to say, see you tomorrow, you would say, à demain. À demain. À demain. Okay? À tantôt. You can do it. Good. Vraiment bien. On continue. So the next one would be until next time. Until next time in French is à la prochaine. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. Okay? You try. Good. Very good. Okay. So the last one we're going to review today is farewell. I don't think that's very commonly used, maybe in a romantic film of some sort, but we'll still look at it, okay? So farewell in French is adieu. 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 Okay, you got it? Try it. Perfect. Bravo. On a réussi. You did it, guys. That's the end of the lesson. So don't forget to check the show notes below. I'll include a summary cheat sheet of what we did today, and it's totally free, so don't forget to download that. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, la question de la journée, the question of the day. Which greeting do you typically use the most often? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comments below, okay? Thank you so much for watching. On se voit bientôt. Merci les amis.